Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create photo scrolling video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my VN Video Editor, and first of all, I'm going to create new project and I'm going to select the video based. Okay, and here I'm just going to use my video collage. You can use photo or video to create the scrolling video effect. And then I'm just going to use this collage. I'm going to add it to my project. And then I'm going to remove the logo first, guys. Okay, and I'm going to add overlay. Just click on this icon and then click on video or photo. And I'm going to select this video. All right, and then I'm going to click on this fit button to fit the screen. All right, and then I'm going to add keyframe to the first video. So I'm going to click on the video and then click on keyframe. For the first keyframe, I'm going to put it on the beginning of my video and move to the end of the video like this, and then we can make it almost out of frame, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to put keyframe on my second video as well. I'm gonna tap on that and move to the end of the video. Add the keyframe to this part. Okay, then we can go to the beginning of the video and then move it down. Okay, and this is the final result. And I guess that's all the way to create photo scrolling video editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.